Today we are making a Spanish-inspired chicken and rice dish inside of our Instant Pot. Look at this. My friends, this recipe is super easy to make. By the way, did you know I have a website? Yes, I do. diningwithtara.com, so you can grab the recipe and print it out and cook with me. Let's run over the simple ingredients that we're gonna need and make this delicious recipe. So the first thing that we're gonna do is just chop up our onion and garlic. You could use garlic powder and onion powder. That looks pretty good. Now we're gonna just make it so that it's easier. And I'm filming, friends. It needs to look good for the video. Now we're gonna take our onion. And onion is another thing. I definitely do not like chunks of onion, but in this recipe, it just works. It just works. If you know me, then you know I have a real problem with spatial things, and I usually get bowls that they're just too small. Not much has changed. Just fits. We're gonna set these to the side and we're gonna grab our chicken. Now for the chicken, we're just looking to just chunks. I'm making this for my husband and he likes probably a size like this. You don't wanna make them too small. Okay, now we're gonna take our plate, we're gonna put the chicken back on it, because watch what we're gonna do, friends. Next, we're gonna grab that Sautéing, homemade Sautéing seasoning. I'm just gonna use my hands if that bothers you. Use tongs or something, but I'm just doing this. You wanna coat that chicken. Just that easy. Let me wash my hands and let's grab our Instant Pot. Now we're gonna set the Instant Pot to saute on high and we're gonna let it warm up. Got olive oil. You know me. Pick it up, twirl it around. Next we're gonna add our onions. Let it cook down a little bit. Okay, next we're going to add in the garlic. Okay, that's looking really good. Now we're going to add that chicken. We're not looking to cook the chicken, we're just looking to get it a little bit browned. We're really doing that to develop flavor. That's looking really good. Okay, we don't need it cooked all the way through. It's really important. So we're gonna add in that tomato paste. And I like browning it a little bit, just really infusing the flavor into the chicken. Oh, it's so good. It does not take long. You could just throw everything in, but it's so much better like this. Take the extra couple of minutes. All right, that's looking good. Now we're gonna take a splash of that chicken broth. And now it's very important, we need to deglaze the bottom of the pot. And I'm gonna add a little splash more. Like, sometimes what I do is I lift the liner up and I look, like, is there anything burned on the bottom? No. Perfect. Okay. We're gonna add the rest of the chicken broth. That is the extent of sautéing. So, let me see which one wins. We're gonna press cancel on the Instant Pot. We're gonna take our trivet, set that inside. We're gonna take our heat-proof bowl and we're gonna set it right inside of there. Now we're gonna take the rice, add it to the bowl, then we're gonna add the water. Remember, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. I like to use a silicone spoon just to put everything underneath the water. You can make more rice than this, but that's what I'm making. Remember, it's just 1-to-1 ratio no matter how much you make. Now we're gonna grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on, and this has to be set to sealing. We're gonna hit pressure cook for 4 minutes. Now we're gonna open up the lid. Now we're gonna fluff our rice. Look at this, friends. Okay, now we need to get this bowl out of here. So I like to use a paper towel. It's very, very hot. And the bowl, like, you know, barely fits in there. So just be very careful and take this out. And let's see. Oh, this sauce is gonna be delicious. This is actually how my husband loves it the most. If you remember in the other recipe, the rice was in here with it. So all of this liquid was gone. That's why the only extra thing we needed was just extra water to cook the rice in, but he much prefers it like this. And I just want to show, look at this. This is why I do what I do. So I have got to try this. I added some fresh cilantro on top. This was so easy to make. Literally throw it in there, a little bit of sautéing, and this all cooks at the same time. It smells so incredibly delicious. All right, let's go in. Let's see. Ooh, this bite looks extra good. Friends, I can't believe I made this in 4 minutes. Super easy, only a few ingredients. What are you doing for the rest of the day? You know you're gonna make some of this. Go get some chicken, make my homemade sazon seasoning. Don't forget to head on over to my website so you can print the recipe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.